Hey guys, welcome to Traventures, your #1 source for family travel information. And today I mostly just want to do a video talking about exploring and adventuring wherever you are at. Technically, the video for today is the Idaho Falls Zoo, and most of you probably have no idea where Idaho Falls is, except to maybe guess that it's in Idaho, and you would be right. But there's a whole bunch of other stuff to do in Idaho Falls as well, and any other city or place that you go to. There could be museums, zoos, parks, wonderful, amazing things in nature. Like, there is stuff right outside your back door, and all you have to do is go and adventure out there. So while we were in Idaho Falls, we were just visiting family, and we thought, let's go on an adventure. We're gonna go to the zoo. And the zoo did not disappoint. It was so unique. There were so many different kinds of animals that I hadn't really seen before, and it was a really fun, amazing experience. One of the unique things about the Idaho Falls Zoo is it had the largest collection of monkeys and apes and primates that I have ever seen before. They were everywhere, and they were so active and fun to watch. It was really a treat just getting to see all of these monkeys. They also had the rare snow leopard. I don't know that I've ever seen the snow leopard except for in Idaho Falls, and I probably wouldn't have pegged that as a place to go and see this elusive creature. They also had some amazing playful otters, and while I didn't expect that to be one of the highlights of our zoo trip, it totally was, because at our zoo, the otter exhibit, like, it says there are otters there, and we have never seen the otters. So I don't know, like, if it's how they arranged their exhibit or what, but they were out in full force playing, and our kids loved it. Otters! At the Idaho Falls Zoo, they also had kookaburras. Kookaburras are indigenous to Australia, and they've got the coolest, like, laughing noise ever.
Quite the show for you guys.
Don't do that. You're gonna start a howl.
If that doesn't make you want to go to the Idaho Falls Zoo, then I don't know. I guess you should just stay in your house, because that's amazing. It doesn't matter if you have the capital to go on trips or go out of the country or get on an airplane. You can adventure right in your own city, and that's really the main point of this video. You don't have to go and do something big to have an adventure. Just get off your phone and step out your front door and do something amazing. Go on a walk. Going on a walk can be an adventure. You will see and notice so many cool things. Put your phone away and just enjoy the world around you. If you want to see how we made the most of our Idaho Falls Zoo journey, make sure you check out Taylor Tadpoles. That is our family travel vlog, and that has all of our experiences. It documents the entire day for you so that you can really get a sense of what that was like. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out our other channel. Peace.